Water leaves are very heat loving. They are heat loving. They do well in zone 9A in the summer. So I am just going around removing old njama and then replacing the njama with water leaves stems. If you can get stems, the better. That way you start to harvest like really quickly, but if not, you can always start from seeds. It is okay. I am going to put links to where you can get the seeds from in the description box. You can check them out. So let's plant some water leaves. So this is what I was able to do. The water leaves all transplanted, as you can see. I'm going to go ahead now and water the garden, and then I will share updates with you. So be sure to subscribe so you can be connected. Stay tuned for updates. Until next time, bye.